Whenever I find fabric like these, I just get so very excited because these are fresh, these are clean, these are just current for spring. All the colors are here. Let me show them to you. Lavender, this is a denim, 100% cotton, and it's a true lavender. It's one white and one purple weave, 100% cotton. It's a woven, there's no stretch to it, but it's light enough that I could do a shirt, I could do a jean jacket, I could do a regular jacket, I could do pants. And where we're seeing denim on top and bottom, this is a perfect opportunity, and this is the right fabric where I could do it top and bottom. It's beautiful. And now these are all today $18.99, just a great price, great fabric. This is not a denim. I put this in here because it's a white. It's 100% cotton. It's a white, and it's that new white shirt for spring. It's lovely. It's not a real bright white though. It's not a milk. It's kind of right in between, but it's really beautiful. Again, 100% cotton. It's a woven, and it's lovely. Just lovely. You can see the fiber is beautiful. Then we go back to this denim. This is a green, white denim, true denim, 100% cotton, no stretch. This is a woven, but again, light enough that you can do tops or bottoms out of it. It's really, really beautiful. Now, what we're seeing right now in denim is top and bottom are being done out of the same fabric, and so this gives us an opportunity to do that. This is a chambray, light, meaning light enough to, chambray is just a lightweight denim. But you could do jeans out of it also. You could do bottoms out of it. Or you could do like a gathered pant, our new gathered pant. This would be perfect for, all of these would be perfect for that. It's mixing that new style, which is that balloon leg a little bit, with these denims, which would carry it off really beautifully. Again, 100% cotton. This stripe is like what we had on the cover of 826. It is a stretch woven. It has stretch in one direction, still 100% cotton. I've got a white thread and a blue thread. It's just lovely. Now this, I wouldn't do a shirt out of this. I don't think it's light enough to do a shirt, but you certainly could do pants or jacket, either one. And this is lovely. This is light enough to do pants out of, or top. It is a chambray. It's just a dark blue. And again, one white, one blue, one dark thread. It is a denim weave. It's lovely, 100% cotton. The selvage is lovely. Just, oh, you guys, I'm so excited to bring you these fabrics. $18.99 today. Just love it. The gold, you know it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.